UF is a guided tour app designed to be accessible to everyone, including international students and people with disabilities. It's used to help people find out more information about points of interest and features around campus.
So this app opens on a map view. It shows points of interest around campus. See if you do it on your phone. It shows points of interest on campus. It auto clusters point areas that have high density so that the view is not too cluttered. So you can see that it'll auto cluster if there's, and then it'll adjust based on the zoom view. If you click on a point, it'll show you the title of the point, so that's like a safety location. It'll also give you the opportunity to get navigation directions, which it'll switch you into Google Maps app. And it uses GPS location for all of these points of interest.
Yeah, so while the map is up, the app is currently searching for beacons. So all of these locations here are represented by GPS longitude and latitude, but also they'll be represented by a physical beacon in the location where they are. And when that beacon is encountered, it will essentially prompt the user to look at some detailed information about that location. So right now a beacon is being turned on, and the device should recognize that beacon and take the user to a screen where they can learn more about that specific feature that was just encountered.
So this is going to be the description view. It's going to display all the extra information that the Cicerones may or may not tell during each tour that they give. This description view will display a picture of the current point of interest, such as the French fries or Marston. Under the image is going to be an audio play button that'll enable the person to talk during, or to listen to the tour in their native language.
La Biblioteca Ciencias Marston recibe a más de 1,5 millones de visitantes.
That currently supports English and Spanish, with more languages planned to be added in the future. And when the user selects their language, it'll change the audio file as well as the text files into that native language. And this is designed to help accessibility.
Installed in 1988, the sculpture is officially in type.
Yeah, so another option for viewing features that are close by is this nearby features page, which is accessible from the menu. So this will show all of the features that you're essentially in range of. So as you can see on the map, a lot of places are potentially clustered together and close to each other. So if you're close enough to be in range of multiple beacons, you can see all the things that are nearby to you at that moment. So future work for this application, one thing that the product owner wanted was to be able to manage these features. So essentially update new information for a specific feature, add new languages, potentially change the photo for it. And that's something that would require all of the information be stored in a database and maintained by a server. And this server and database actually have been implemented already, but have not yet been integrated with the application itself. And there's also a need for a web client for administrators to go ahead and make those changes and manage the different features. So that's something that's still currently in progress that could be implemented by a team in the future.